Kaya talaga pag tumubo yung ating mga plants, no? Kamusta naman guys? Nagluto kayo binignit da guys, mga kababayan? Pahingi naman. Pahingi guys ng inyong mga binignit. Siguro magluto ako mamaya ng binignit guys, pero less sago lang, less tapioca. Ano lang, kamote, pero lagyan ko siya ng coconut cream or some milk para malinamnam. Ayan o. Nakakatuwa tingnan, diba? Maraming salamat guys. 5 million viewers. Ayan, uulan pa rin. Another 7 minutes to go. I really have to go in 7 minutes, mga kababayan. Alright. Maraming salamat sa inyong pa-background dyan. At mega love shout out uli sa kay Merlinda Choi Vlog. Ayan guys, kung hindi pa kayo nagkadikitan each other, please support in your kababayan. Tukapars TV, maraming salamat po ma'am o sir sa iyong padikit-dikit. Promise I will go back to you, so don't worry po. So make sure magko-comment po tayo, mag-hi o naayon sa ating video para naman pasok tayo kay Lolokers. You know what guys, marapit na akong, I don't know, 2 years, more than 2 years na sa YouTube ata. Tingnan nyo, wala pa tayong viral. Meron naman nagba-viral pero hindi madami. Okay lang, upload lang ng upload guys. Basta wag kayong mag-expect ng super. Gawin nyo lang yung naaayon. Mag-upload na lang upload, pero ako actually, hindi ako nag-upload ng few weeks now. Mag-break din tayo guys, kasi hindi lang naman ito yung ginagawa natin, diba? Pag sobrang busy tayo, yan. Makikita nyo, less ako nag-upload. Pero, nagbabalik pa rin ako. Yun ang sinasabi nila, if you are tired, just take a while rest, you know, rest muna. But if you are not tired, or you're okay and you are recharged, then come back. Don't be a quitter, just keep going, you know, no matter what happened. Ayan guys, today is a happy Friday, by the way. Happy Holy Friday. Tomorrow is Black Saturday, and then on Sunday, Lord is risen. I hope you guys have a happy Holy Week. We try to have a happy Holy Week too. Dito sa Australia, wala nang binignit guys. Parang kang maraming kaibigan, ayan. Marami kaming nagluluto na binignit. Pero ngayon ang weather is not really actually nice. Tingnan mo guys. I got 5 more minutes to go guys. Maraming salamat sa 30 nandito. Maraming salamat. Ayan, we have to go back inside and I'll just put you in the window. Right, mga kaibigan. Pasok po tayo sa bahay. Ayan po. Ang bilis ng panahon. Oh, I keep talking pala. At saka nakamute. Ano ba yan? That is... Hala, I just keep talking guys. Nakamute pala. Alright, nandito pa tayo sa loob ulit. Yan, before I have to go, I'll show you again guys. Maraming salamat talaga sa nandiyan dyan pa, ha? Hindi ko alam yung pagkukulay nito sa phone na to guys, as in. Sinsya na po. Ano kaya magkulay nito sa phone na to? I mean, Pasensya na kayo guys, hindi kayo nagkulayan ha. Kasi I try my best to look around here.